welcome back. Another episode here on The Reikiya Show. And today it's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Now, let's get right into it. So first of all, this is how the package arrived. I'm turning it around because my information is on the other side. So let's get right into it. I kind of opened it just to make sure that it was the correct product because I get a lot of stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to finishing opening it up the whole way. And woo, here it is. The AI Glasses Charging Dock. Array charger. There we go. Woo. Comes in this nice little box. And well, let's open it up and let's see how it looks inside, and let's give it a try as well. It's from the brand Reikiya. Maybe that's how you say it. I might be saying it wrong. So let's open it up. All right, here we go. Okay, it comes like that. Seems to be nicely protected. Yeah, I might be unboxing this a little bit wrong, but let's see. Okay, so it has a little manual inside. AI Glasses Charging Dock User Manual. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna read through all this, but in case if you are in doubt, and it comes in different languages. That's probably why it's so long. It comes in, I think, Mandarin, comes in Spanish, comes in English. I think Italian is this one. Okay, well that's pretty cool. And let's see what else is inside here. Okay, ooh, look at this little bag. Open it up. This is the cable charger. In case if you're wondering what type of cable charger it is. Now let's move on to the next product, which I think is the main piece. Yes. Okay, I think that's something else inside. Let me see what this is. Oh, I think it brings like a little sticky thing if you want to leave it permanently somewhere, which, I mean, it's your choice. Maybe you have an office and you just want to glue it onto the desk. But it seems that there's nothing else inside. So, the charging station itself comes over here in a little bag. It is kind of heavy, so that's good. Nice weighted. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. You see it? This little charger right there, little 2 dots. And, okay, the brand on the back of it though. Awesome. All right, so let's stand it right here. Let's see. Now, you might need to charge it first or plug it to the wall. But it's small, it's nice, it's portable, which is something I really like. Even if you do have a charger, it's always good to have a spare. And like I said, it doesn't seem cheap because it has some actual weight to it. That's one thing that I always look into as well. Seems to be nice and sturdy. Perfect. Now there is a port back here, so obviously you would connect back there, and then the other one you can, I guess, connect it to your like laptop or your charger as well. The little brick is what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's test it out with the Meta glasses that I have. This part is not sponsored, but I needed to show some AI glasses being charged with it. So let's get mine, and let's, I think it goes in this direction, like that. Oh, it fits perfect. That is a perfect fit on it. Let me get close so you can see. I wonder if, oh, look at that. It's actually magnetic. I'm holding it upside down and it's actually holding the whole thing. That is pretty cool though. That is awesome. It just sticks right on it and it should be charging just like that. Awesome, awesome. Now I connected to my laptop and I wanted to show that there is actual like little blinking light right there that tells you that it's charging. So that's good to know. It gives you at least an indicator of how it's actually functioning. If I were to give a rating on this, even though I don't do too much unboxing videos, I would go ahead and I would rate this a 5 out of 5 on the Richter scale. So what I am gonna do is that I'm gonna leave the link below of where I bought this. That way you can just go down in the description area and go check them out. And just like I said, if you already have a charging station, hey, you can always have a second one, or if your charging station did actually break down, you will have a spare one that is functional, it's reliable, and it's one of those things that you must have if you have actual smart glasses. All right, so with that said, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next unboxing video review.
Shout out to the host of the Richter.